Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. We did the reds, we did the oranges. What do we have today? We have the vitamin A, we have the B's, we have the C's, we have the gut-friendly, we have the magnesium, the manganese, the iron, potassium, copper, calcium. We have the yellows. Let's do it. Okay, this is what I'm working with today. Let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up. We have the beautiful yellows. The first player in the game is good for weight loss, digestion in the gut, skin, and the detox. We have the lemon. Another major player in the game, boosts immunity, amazing for digestion again, and for strong bones. We have, yes, the pineapple, amazing for your gut. Third runner up, we have the mangoes. Good for diabetics, awesome for immunity and digestion again. If you haven't already figured it out, I love to focus on the digestion. We have another major player in the game, guys, coming right up, number 4, known for the high vitamin C, potassium, copper, calcium, vitamin K, which is for clotting. We have the yellow peppers, awesome. A big double thumbs up in my eyes. We have the tomatoes, rich in vitamin C and B, loaded with potassium and fiber. This guy right here is a power punch. We have my number 1 for inflammation right here. We have ginger. This is ginger root. So, we have the yellows. We completed the reds, the oranges, the yellows. We have so many more groups to go ahead and do for you guys. So go ahead, be safe, be well, be yourself, and remember, subscribe. Let's get to the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, let me go ahead and show you what I'm working with today. The yellows. The number 1 on the list is good for weight loss, digestion in the gut, skin, and a detox. You guessed it right, the lemon. Number 2, and that is a very close second, guys, boosts immunity, great for digestion again, and for strong bones. What's number 2? Exactly, the pineapple. Number 3, for diabetics, for the immune system and digestion again. And if you haven't already watched my videos, I focus on the gut and digestion. So, number 3 would be the mango. The number 4, high in vitamin C, potassium, copper, calcium, vitamin K for clotting. We have, you guessed it, the yellow pepper. Number 5 is going to be rich in vitamin C, rich in vitamin B, loaded with potassium, guys. We have, exactly, here we go, the yellow tomatoes. Last but not least, a power punch of the powerhouses for inflammation. We have the ginger root. So again, we did the reds, we did the oranges. These are the yellows. Have an awesome day. Be safe, be well, be yourself, and I'll see you next time, guys.